Let's get some trader talk now with Jared Levy. He's with Peak American Investment Group. Good to see you there. Today you have a trade that is closely tied to the economy, a REIT, Avalonbay.
A REIT is a real estate investment trust. If you're not familiar with it, a lot of real estate investment trusts, the more common ones are large companies that own, usually it's like rental properties. The company we're talking about today, Avalonbay, is actually the 16th largest REIT in the U.S. and it holds thousands of different apartment units. And again, those are spread over many different states from the Mid-Atlantic region, New York, New Jersey, Texas, Florida, up in the Pacific Northwest. And these companies obviously make money through collecting rents and on the properties that they own and might buy or sell.
How well do REITs perform in the market? If the economy is good or the economy is not so good, the Fed has been working to slow the economy down with those higher interest rates.
Now, usually REITs tend to do well when interest rates are dropping, okay? There's kind of a little catch-22 here. So they tend to do well when rates are dropping, but they don't do well when the economy is slipping for obvious reasons, right? People can't pay their rent. Maybe they have to lower rents to keep their tenants in there or to keep their occupancy rates high. And, you know, I'm looking at Avalonbay and the stock is currently trading right around $184 a share. And I'll tell you, as much as the stock has come down off of the highs of 198, I believe that it's due to go lower. And the reason I believe that is because I believe the economy is going to continue to slow. We're already seeing consumers' budgets stretched very thin. Consumer debt is at all-time highs, credit card debt, as you know. And, you know, I look around at my peers, you know, folks that I talk to and just interview and obviously read a lot of news, and everybody's budgets are tight. Avalonbay, a lot of their properties are on the higher end. They're expensive apartments, right? And, you know, as interest rates come down, even if other housing becomes viable, what I'm seeing is people are vying to move out, get themselves homes, and you're seeing this sort of a multi-family situation where, you know, friends or different family members all chip in and buy themselves a home. Anyway, long story short, I believe Avalonbay is going lower. I think they've got a lot of headwind here. Again, the stock has done pretty well over the past month or so, but the reality is, I believe the stock should see its way down to about $175. Not a huge sell-off, but enough for you to make money.
What's your plan to play Avalonbay to the downside?
This is the way to play it. So I'm going out, I'm buying the July 195 puts. You can pay $16, maybe a little bit more for them. And I'm setting a simple target of 20, okay? Again, $4 return on 16, not so bad from percentage terms. And to me, again, that's a conservative way to play it. You could obviously try to squeeze out a couple more dollars. As I said, I believe the stock will move down to at least 175, if not the 170 level. That's my target ultimately. But I think for this trade, again, playing it conservative, the market still is a little bit over exuberant here, and you never know, but I like to play things on the safe side. Anyway, Avalonbay, buying the 195 put, paying $16, a target of 20. And again, I'm looking for the stock to move lower over the next month or two, but buying plenty of time in the trade. You guys have a great day. My name's Jared Levy. We'll talk soon.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.